Hello everyone, today we are going to learn updated list of presidents of India from the year 1947 to 2022. Our first president was Rajendra Prasad. His tenure term was 26th January 1950 to 13th May 1962. He was the only president to serve 2 terms in office. The second president was Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. His tenure term was 13th May 1960 to 13th May 1967. His birthday on 5th September is celebrated in India as Teachers' Day. The next president of India was Dr. Zakir Hussain. His tenure term was 13th May 1967 to 3rd May 1969. He died on 3rd May 1969, the first Indian president to die in office. The next acting president of India was Varagiri Venkat Giri. His tenure term was 3rd May 1969 to 20th July 1969. Muhammad Hidayatullah took over as the next acting president of India until the elections were conducted. His tenure lasted from 20th July 1969 to 24th August 1969. Then Varagiri Venkat Giri got elected as 5th President of India. His tenure term was 24th August 1969 to 24th August 1974. The next President of India was Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. His tenure term was 24th August 1974 to 11th February 1977. Vice President Basappa Danappa Jatti was sworn in as the acting president due to sudden demise of Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy got elected as next President of India. His tenure lasted from 25th July 1977 to 25th July 1982. The next President of India was Gyani Zail Singh. His tenure term was 25th July 1980 to 25th July 1987. The next president in the list is Ramaswamy Venkataraman. His tenure term lasted from 25th July 1987 till 25th July 1992. The next President of India was Shankar Dayal Sharma. His tenure term was from 25th July 1992 to 25th July 1997. The next President of India was Kocheril Raman Narayanan. His term was from 25th July 1997, 25th July 2002. The next president that India saw was Apj Abdul Kalam. His term lasted from 25th July 2002 to 25th July 2007. The next president on the list was Srimati Pratibha Patil. Her tenure term was from 25th July 2007 to 25th July 2012. She became the first women president of India. The next president was Pranab Mukherjee. His term lasted from 25th July 2012 to 25th July 2017. The next on list is President Ram Nath Kovind. His tenure started on 25th July 2017 and at present he is the President of India. So, with this friends we have seen the list of presidents and acting President of India. Thank you for watching this video, and for more videos do subscribe to Life Sources channel.